So this video is going to explain the graph that's on the back of your study guide. So you want to pay attention to what type of graph you have when you're working on a quiz or a test or anything for that matter. This particular graph is a velocity time graph. So we'll just go through and talk about each section of the graph to help you better understand what's going on and so that you can answer the two questions about it. So in the first part of this graph, you have a diagonal line right here. So this diagonal line goes from 0 to 2 seconds, and it is increasing from a velocity of 0 up to a velocity of 10. So that would mean that it is accelerating. It is speeding up because you're going from 0 to 10 meters per second. So it's speeding up. All right. For the second part of the graph, you just have this diagonal line. It is maintaining a velocity of 10 meters per second during that 1 second. So it is keeping a constant velocity. All right, there's no acceleration going on at that point. For the third section, you have another diagonal. It matches the shape from 0 to 2 seconds. So 3 to 5 and 0 to 2 are going to be doing similar things there. This time you're going from 10 meters per second up to 20 meters per second. So again, you're going to have acceleration and you're going to be speeding up. All right. For the last section here, you are going down on the graph. This does not necessarily mean that you are going backwards in this case. You are going from 20 meters per second down to 10 meters per second. So you are slowing down. So you have acceleration and you are slowing down. All right. So that's what each section of the graph represents. So your questions for number 3 on the back, it says in what segments does the object have a constant velocity? So the only section that has a constant velocity is going to be from 2 to 3 seconds is going to be the only one with a constant velocity. And then for number 4, I'd ask you what segments have positive acceleration. In this case, when you have a velocity graph, you're looking at the slope to determine your acceleration. So positive acceleration means you're going to have a positive slope. So from 0 to 2 seconds, you have a positive slope. From 3 to 5 seconds, you have a positive slope. So that means you're having positive accelerations during this. So this yellow section here, you have acceleration, but since it's sloping down or a negative slope, it would have a negative acceleration there. So I hope this helps you answer questions 3 and 4 and better understand this graph. I will see you tomorrow in class.